Assalamualaikum and good evening all. Okay, first of all, thank you for coming. Should we start our discussion now?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Today we want to discuss about the best activities to do during Nature Week. So I am Ayuni as participant B.
I am Shahira as participant A.
I am Aisha as participant D.
And I am Iza, I am participant C.
Okay, participant A, would you like to start first?
Yes, I would like to start first. So, as a member of the of the society, I will organize a tree planting activity. So, what is the benefit of tree planting activity? Did you all know?
No.
So it's okay. I will tell you guys the benefits of tree planting activity. So the benefits of tree planting activity, the plant can release oxygen to our surrounding. By releasing oxygen, it can help to reduce global warming and help to reduce ozone layer depletion. In addition, by doing the tree planting activity, it can help to raise awareness within our society about the importance of tree planting for our dying earth. So, what will happen if there is no tree? If there is no tree, it can lose the habitat of our animals. So, it also can melt the glacier as it can raise the sea level. So, in conclusion, I will organize the tree planting activity so that the earth can become more greener.
Alright.
Yes.
I agree with your point, and I would like to add a few information about it. From the news that I have read, the polar bear are losing their habitat from the melting glacier. This could lead to the extinction of the polar bear population, and it is very concerning to the ecosystem.
Pity.
So
Pity for the polar bear.
Yeah.
Save the polar bear.
Participant B, would you like to talk about your point?
Okay, thank you. As far as I'm concerned, I will organize a trip to the a trip to national park as the best activities to do during Nature Week, because by going there we can actually know a lot of species in our world, because in our world there are a lot of species in our country, but by going there we also can increase our knowledge about the plants, such as the herbs, which actually the students can learn about the purpose of the herbs, what the usage of the herbs in our daily life, so they can apply the benefits in our daily life, so it will be more easier for them. Okay, other than that, we also can protect endangered species by learning what their population, and how they survive in the forest. So it encourage the students to protect their population. Okay. Okay, my second point is it give chance for students to gain more new experience by going there, because as we know there are a lot of stunning landscape at national park. So the student will expose to the beautiful decoration, but so it increase their creativity to decorate their home, to decorate their school with nature. By that, it can decrease our stress level, because nature can give us more comfortable, and actually can comfort our sightseeing. Okay, that's all.
I would like to ask you how by going to the national park can change our lifestyle.
because I think by going to national park,
Yeah.
we can change our someone's perception about the importance of plants. Okay, that's all from me. And what about the participant? See,
Okay, thank you to participant B. In my opinion, I would like to suggest to organize a camp, a trip camp, camping trip to the forest reserve. This is because uh, we can embed the love of nature in every single soul that go to the camping. As from my from my experience from previous
previous
from
year.
my previous experience, just that's what I want to say. When we go to the camping, we learn so much so much new thing, such as we can survive by not using the gadget, but it's very limited. And in the forest, we can release our tension because in the forest we far away from hustle and bustle city. We are far away from our assignment. Yeah, yeah. Then uh, when we go to the camping trip, we also can add our knowledge how we survive without using phone, because that's very hard to reach the network. We can use fire to get our light source. We can use river to get our um, water source. And fishing, we can learn how to fishing to the camping trip. And we also can get the food source directly from the plants. So I think this is best activity to do in during the during, during the nature week. Yeah. Then the experience is very enjoyable.
Yes, I do agree.
Yes, I do agree with you.
Oh,
Okay, what about you, participant B?
I think we could organize a recycling day as the activity for the week. I would like to explain about recycle. Recycle is the process of converting waste materials into new materials and other objects. There are many benefits that we could get from recycling, such as we could reduce the amount of waste sent to landfill. As you know, every household produces waste every day. The statistics have shown that currently over 23,000 tons of waste is produced each day in Malaysia. However, this amount is expected to rise to 30,000 tons by the year 2020. From all of this amount of waste that are produced, less than 5% of the waste is being recycled. By doing this event, we could encourage many people to recycle their waste properly, and together we can save our planet. That's all.
Oh, so which one that we will choose?
since both of you said that you are totally agree with me, should we say that camping by go to the camping trip in a reserve forest is the best activity that we should organize?
I think it's the best activity that we should organize because it can help people or
Yeah.
students to learn many things by go to the forest and watch the nature.
Yes, I also totally agree with you because by going there, we can do a lot of activities. We can which it will increase our knowledge, and
Yeah.
it will also decrease our stress level, like you said just now.
Yeah.
Because national park we also just look and so I totally agree with you that we should go to
Camping
Camping
trip.
trip.
I totally agree with you.
Yeah.
So I think we could conclude that going to the
Camping trip
camping
in
trip,
a forest reserve.
It's the best
is
activities for
activity that
during
we could
our
do.
nature.
Nature week. Yeah,
Yeah.
that's all from us. Thank you. Bye bye.
Thank you.